Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya wa mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa barik wa sallim. Alhamdulillah, we are now in the 10th day of Syawal. In this episode, Syawal and Management, I would like to talk about the work specialisation. In management, there are 4 functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. The work specialisation is under the elements of organizing. Okay, there are 6 key elements of organizing. First, work specialisation. Second, departmentalisation. Third, unity of command or change of command. Fourth, span of control. Fifth, centralisation or decentralisation. And sixth, formalisation. And my discussion for this episode will be about work specialisation. In order to get things done with efficiency and effectiveness, we have to assign people with the appropriate skills, knowledge, attitude, and also competency. This is what I call al-qawwiyy. Okay? Al-qawwiyy in Islamic term. Al-qawwiyy means competency. And secondly, we have to ensure that the person has integrity or al-amin. So qawiyyun amin are 2 prerequisites for work specialisation assignment. Alright, brothers and sisters, let us pay attention not just to al-qawwiyy, knowledge, skill, competency, but more importantly, the integrity, which we have developed, renewed, and regenerate during Ramadan. May Allah bless. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.